ঠিক সিনেমেটিক শট করতে পারতো। Hello, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Himu.
This is Muktu Talukdar.
This is a comprehensible input vlog, and we are here at the park as usual, walking and talking.
This is called park. We are in park.
And can you tell me what you did today?
I did not special. I just went Gumti Park. This was the
Like morning to night?
morning. It's a evening time.
No. I said what you did today from morning to night.
Yeah.
That is what I wanted to say.
Okay. You wanna know my routine of my daily life?
Not daily life.
My today life.
For today.
Okay. Today I wake up in the morning in 6 o'clock because it's Brazil team
At 6 o'clock.
at 6 o'clock because it was the game of Brazil football
Match of
it's a
Brazil.
FIFA 2026 and it's huge craze about this game.
I watched today match.
Today match
That was pretty damn good.
Brazil
We didn't
did best.
expect Brazil will do this much better.
I expect this because Haiti is not that much big.
Our hype is not
that much strong.
because they
Yeah.
they strongly
They don't
others
good at also only a pass. They don't good at a pass. How
But
they
but
they
they did well
Yeah.
enough.
better from Portugal. Okay.
And what after that? What after watching?
After watching the match, I'm just feel so sleepy. I was just feel just sleepy. I'm getting sleep.
Uh,
Yeah. And then I arise.
you took a snap or sleep.
Took a sleep.
Snap.
It's a big.
How much?
Big
amount.
Big amount.
Snap is a small
Snap is a
amount.
small amount. Okay. I just wake up after 12 o'clock.
At 12.
Then I take my breakfast as usual.
Not
Took my breakfast. Yeah. It's called the chira English. What is the meaning of chira?
I don't know the meaning,
I don't know
exact
also.
meaning of chira,
With the mango.
but it's made with rice.
Rice, yeah.
And they smash the rice.
Yeah.
Smash the rice and they made this kind of thing. What? I will give you a challenge. Can you introduce behind there is a ride? Can you introduce that ride?
It's called rocket.
Of what? I will switch to back camera. Introduce these things up.
It's called rocket. We are made this for our Bangladesh. It's just for kids, but nowadays we see that every of younger people they have age like 25 or 30. They are ride it with their children, and I heard that this rocket have
We'll
some
go
problem.
NASA.
We'll send it to NASA. Yeah. But these have some problem. I heard that. Listen, I heard that many years ago. Two people are died by this ride because of short circuit.
Oh, it's pretty
so
much scary.
Dangerous. Yeah.
And look at this. There is a rocket. Like in the center part, there is a rocket, but the spinning portion is helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay. This is a good game. And here is also a octopus game. Octopus ride.
Tell me about this ride. Like
What?
it looks like its appearance.
I don't know what is the meaning of this ride. I never rode it. I just enjoyed to see this ride.
I said
rode
you should discuss about the appearance, what it looks like.
It looks like a middle portion. It looks like a what is called
Rocket.
from NASA.
And
But after the part
they
of-
put several rocket with a main rocket.
that's not the rocket. That's part the
Rocket
the
launcher.
Listen, the bodies look like a rocket, but the
Spinning portion.
outside is look like a bullet something, or what is this called? Something
Uh,
used for what?
missile, like missile.
Missile. Yeah. And behind the helicopters also, I don't know what is the meaning of what is the who invent this structure and what is the engineering behind this.
They just
They also
turn off.
Turn off. Maybe I roasted them, that's why they
Turn off
feel
this.
shy.
I gave him like challenge, and
Yeah.
he successfully
Passed.
passed that
Okay.
challenge with few mistakes or whatever you can say. And do you wanna give me a challenge? And your
Of course.
your like motive will be like to
Learn English.
learn, not to what it is called,
I don't know.
whatever. You should give me a challenge. What challenge do you wanna give me? And whether I will see whether I will pass or not.
Oh, the lighting is
you,
so good.
you will like question me
Yeah.
several times whether I can start or not.
Wow,
That is
what
the
is
challenge.
this? I have the challenge for you.
What?
What is this? Is this a what is this? I don't know. You want to ask Himu?
Give me a,
The ride is stopped already for
give
you.
me that challenge.
Yeah, what is this, brother?
It's a one kind of ride. There is a, I don't know what kind of thing it is, like where it is inspired from, but there is a lot of things to see here. There is a one, two, three, and several things to sit, and it will spin after sitting.
What is this called?
automatically. I don't
Maybe
know, I don't know
aeroplane?
about the ride, but it's kind of look like helicopter
No.
and rocket mix things.
Oh wow.
They mix this, they hybrid.
Hybrid.
They make these things maybe. And there is a lot of vibrant light, like yellow and teal and other. There is green.
Yeah.
There is a lot of RGB light to attract people, or not people, children. And they started again because we are making video. Maybe that's why they
I
started again.
thought they stopped because of us. we just described this.
And if one person who are riding now with her child maybe. It's a motorized thing.
Yeah.
There is a big motor, and that motor rotates the whole thing. That's it. You wanna ask me any question about this?
No, I have no any question. But the video shoot was so good. The lighting area, the scenery was so pretty much good. You look like hero, brother.
Hero.
Yeah. What you did today?
It's a good question. You can grab me. Grab this phone, not me.
I also grabbed him.
You also grab me. You can grab our phone also
Yeah.
in a proper position.
That's
Whatever.
fair, brother.
I woke up at the morning, like it may be 9:30.
Why? You didn't see the game?
No, I didn't watch the game, but
Wow.
I watched a highlight after that.
He is
I thought
he is not too free for fam.
I thought the game would not be that much good, but it was good, pretty much good game.
Even I am Austria.
I think I should
Argentina
watch.
supporter. I also
Watch.
see,
I am also Argentina supporter.
yeah. Even I am Argentina supporter, but I am always watch the game of match of Brazil.
Pretty dark here. After
Yeah.
after like that, I brush my teeth and took my breakfast, roti with like
Roti means bread.
roti. Yes, roti means bread or naan, parota,
Yeah.
whatever you can say, and with some vegetables.
Wow.
And after that, I did my study. I like for 2 to 3 hours.
Wow. It's a
And
huge.
It's a huge time.
Yeah.
After what are you doing here?
I just take the tank.
Tank. You are taking a juice sherbet. One for you. I will not eat. I will not drink. I always say it.
Hey.
Turn on the flash. But
Team here.
after like study, what I did, I scroll and watch several video English maybe, and it's a like comprehensible input blog. I watch several blogs and some videos. After that, I did my shower. After
Take my shower.
I
Took
took
my
my
shower.
shower. After that, taking I was like what I did. I have to remember. I eat some mangoes, and after that I ate what lunch. After that, why are you putting your hand in front of like a stop button?
Because I want to stop.
I feel insecure when you like putting your hand.
No, I just want to go home earlier. It's too late.
Whatever. After that, like what I did after finishing dinner, I scroll. After that, what I did, maybe I sleep. I sleep for a while, and after that I wake up and do some scrolling, watch some videos. After that I went out for tuition, and then from there I came here to make a comprehensible input blog. That is it for today,
Yeah.
and see you next time in my next video. So please subscribe our channel. That is it. Thank you.